Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Saeco Espresso Evo. Now for this machine we had to do a lot. We basically had to replace the brew assembly. This thing was no longer moving the way it's supposed to. It was very stiff and stuff. So we got a newer one inside, as you can see in there. When we opened the machine we found that the blow down valve was leaking. As you can see, there's some signs of leakage over here and corrosion right here. Unfortunately, that also corroded the flow meter. As you can see, these electrical connections are rusted as well. We also had to replace the valve inside the brew assembly, which is located right there. And we also replaced the water pump of the espresso machine. So there were a lot of little issues in here. Where's that espresso? Where's the water pump? One second. Found it. Water pump. We replaced the water pump, blow down valve, flow meter, brew valve, and the brew unit. So we're gonna test it out starting from scratch. And right now the machine is cold, so we're gonna just plug it in and test it right from the very beginning of the cycle of the machine. So, all right, perfect. We're gonna wait till it heats up, do the rinsing cycle. We're gonna be doing a coffee, then we're gonna be testing the hot water and then the steam side, and then we're gonna turn it off and then wait for the rinsing cycle, the automatic rinsing cycles to complete. Okay, now the machine is on. We're gonna do one coffee. Good water flow coming out of the machine. Got the coffee as well. We're gonna do another one again since I got this little cup over here. Warm it up. Again, good water flow, great color coming out of the espresso machine. Two ounces, which is perfect. Again, really good color coming out. Now we're gonna be using the hot water. It's gonna take a bit for the machine to heat up. Perfect. Good water flow coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature. And excellent water flow. And now we're gonna test the steamer. Sorry. Again, we're gonna have to wait a bit for the machine to heat up and get up to pressure. As you can see, excellent steam coming out of the machine. Really great temperature as well. Pretty hot. Working nice. And now we're gonna turn it off and do the automatic rinse cycle of the machine. Did automatic rinse cycle without no problems. And there you have it, Saeco spray and Evo working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.